Introduction to the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 Treadmill Review. The Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 is a high-end treadmill designed for commercial and professional use, offering advanced features and technology to enhance workout experiences. In this review, we will explore the pros and cons of the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill to help you make an informed decision. Key features of the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill. The Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill features a large touchscreen display with a user-friendly interface allowing users to navigate and select from a variety of workout programs and options. It also includes advanced features such as virtual training routes and personalized coaching to help users achieve their fitness goals. Pros of the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill. One of the main advantages of the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill is its advanced technology and innovative features which provide a unique and engaging workout experience. The treadmill also offers a high level of customization and personalization, allowing users to tailor their workouts to their specific needs and goals. Additionally, the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill is built with high-quality materials and is designed to withstand heavy use and provide long-lasting performance. Cons of the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill. One of the main drawbacks of the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill is its high cost, which may be out of budget for some individuals or smaller fitness centers. The treadmill also requires regular maintenance and upkeep to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Furthermore, the advanced features and technology of the treadmill may be overwhelming for some users who prefer a more traditional and straightforward workout experience. Best practices for using the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill. To get the most out of the Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill, it is recommended to start with a thorough introduction to the treadmill's features and functions. Users should also take advantage of the personalized coaching and virtual training routes to enhance their workout experience. Regular maintenance and upkeep is also essential to ensure the longevity and performance of the treadmill. Conclusion. The Technogym Skillrun Unity 7000 treadmill is a high-end piece of equipment that offers advanced features and technology to enhance workout experiences. While it may have some drawbacks such as high cost and required maintenance, the benefits of the treadmill far outweigh the drawbacks. By following best practices and taking advantage of the treadmill's features and functions, users can achieve their fitness goals and enjoy a unique and engaging workout experience.